2019 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, trip computer, fog lights, tachometer, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.